Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Setiawan, and in this video, I'm gonna explain about humanistic learning theory. This is the first part of the video that I'm going to make about humanistic learning approach, learning theory in general. And let's start with the definition. What is humanistic learning theory? Now, the humanistic learning theory was developed by Abraham Maslow, Carl Rogers, and James F. T. Buchenwald in the early 1900s. Humanism was a response to the common educational theories at the time, which were behaviorism and psychoanalysis. Humanistic theory states that the student is the authority on how they learn. It's not about the teacher, it's not about the course, it's about themselves, it's about human being, how they feel, what's the what's the base knowledge that they have or something like that, and that all of their needs should be met in order for them to learn well. There are a lot of human needs, and Abraham Maslow, Carl Rogers, and James F.T. Buchenwald believe if these needs is fulfilled, they will achieve something that they call self-actualization. Now, Abraham Maslow have this sort of triangle that he called hierarchy of human needs. The very base of human needs is psychological: breathing, food, water, sex, sleep, homeostasis, extraction. The second is security of body, employment, resource, morality, the family, health, property. And the third one is love, belonging, self-esteem. And if all of these four is fulfilled are fulfilled, then they can achieve self-actualization, morality, creativity, spontaneity, problem solving, and acceptance of facts. Now, there are five principles about in humanistic learning theory. The first one is student choice. It's not about the course itself, as I mentioned before. It's about them, about it's up to them on how they will learn something. The teacher doesn't have to force the students to learn exactly uh, the same as the curriculum or the rules. And the in the humanistic learning theory, self motivation is really important. It's about themselves. It's about the motivation from within. It's not from external motivation. They don't need to be forced in order to do something. And then self-evaluation. They have to sort of acknowledge and realize about their mistakes, maybe the thing that they are lacking of, and it will really make the difference at the end of the learning progress at the end of the year or something. And feelings and knowledge, humans have feelings, and if this really well maintained, then they can feel better and learn better. And the last one is safe learning environment. They can feel content if they feel safe, right? And this will make learning process easier because they doesn't have to think about anything else that will be dangerous for them. They cannot learn well in the middle of the war, obviously. So safe learning environment is really important. And behavior is considered similar with humanistic learning theory, but there's actually a difference between them. Acknowledge that learning is evaluated by in the environment and the teacher and the learner's prior knowledge and experience. This is similar. And recognize that learning involves change and adaptation is also similar with behaviorist humanistic. The difference is that behaviorists assume that learning is passive and can be controlled by external motivation. This is really contrast with humanistic learning theory that assume learning is active and driven by internal motivation. And I guess that's it for this video, and I'll see you in another part of the video. Thank you for watching.